Hello friends, I'm here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Today I'm going to provide you information about TIFRGS examination. This is the examination conducted by TIFR, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. This is a deemed university which works under the Department of Atomic Energy of Government of India. So this conducts exam known as TIFR-GS every year, that is once in a year. The forms for this exam are available from the last week of the October and exam is there in December. So we'll get result of this exam in January and the exam is on online mode. This exam is there for the PG courses which are offered by the TIFR. TIFR offers PG courses in physics, mathematics, chemistry, computer science and biology. So there is courses available MSc or we can go for PhD, and one more course, that is integrated MSc PhD, is also there in TIFR. Let's know more about TIFR-GS in biology. TIFR-GS is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research Graduate School Exam. This is conducted in a subject biology. The eligibility for this is Bachelor of any science, but the biology must be there during the bachelor's degree. Or 4-year degree program, the candidates who are having BTech degree, BE or B Pharmacy degree, they can also apply for the exam. The candidate can apply in the last year of their bachelor's degree also. When we say pattern paper, the student have to appear for in a 4 subjects. Total number of questions are 60 questions there, and out of these 15 questions are from general section. Most of the questions in general section are from mathematics, that may be to find some area of the triangle, or from the probability section of the mathematics. So these types of questions are there in general section, or even some questions related to environment, greenhouse effect, what is the ozone layer. In this way, in general topics, the questions are there. And then 15 questions each from physics, chemistry and biology. And the main thing is negative marking is there. So while clicking the answer, you have to be very careful, because once the answer is wrong, the marks will get reduced. So the MSc, PhD or integrated PhD, these programs in a biology are available in these 3 institutes in India. Department of Biological Sciences, TIFR Mumbai, then NCBS, National Center for Biological Sciences, Bengaluru. This offers the MSc, integrated PhD and PhD degree in a biology. Then another is TIFR, Center for Interdisciplinary Sciences. So these are the 3 institutes. Here this NCBS, this offers MSc in Wildlife and Conservation also. So at first candidate has to appear for the exam. After the clearing written exam, there are interviews conducted by TIFR. Once the qualified with the interviews, the admissions are given to the candidates. And another thing is, after qualifying this exam, when we appear for these courses, the candidate gets fellowships. The fellowship amount starts from 25,000 till it ends to 32,000. This way, these exams are very challenging for BSc level candidates. But I think everyone should try for these exams. The questions which are there in these exams are usually concept based. Unless the concept is clear to the candidate, he will not able to write the answer. Secondly, many questions are there in which the experiment is given, the results are given, and we need to interpret that result. Interpretation is asked in a question. So in that case also, the one must understand what is the experiment, what is the result, and according to result, how to interpret that particular result. So this is very interesting to study, and I think everyone should try for these exams. The information which I have given in video is routine information, but due to COVID situation which we all are facing, the dates of the exam may get vary. So we need to visit the TIFR website for routine details or the details for this year. I hope you understand what is TIFR exam. You like my videos, so please don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.